Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to find your Google Authenticator setup key. Now, if you by any reason cannot scan the QR code from the website, you can always use setup key instead of QR code on any website because QR code doesn't actually contain its own setup key. So let's say we want to find setup key of Gmail two-factor authentication. When you go to Google two-factor authentication settings, click on setup authenticator here. And then if you click on you cannot scan it, here you'll get setup key like this one. Now open Google Authenticator on your mobile device and then tap on this plus button. Now choose enter setup key. Type anything in account name and then fill out the key you got from Google website. Now tap on add here, then click on next on Gmail and enter the code from Google Authenticator. And this way you will be able to activate any website and platform with setup key. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.